Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a powerful diagnostic tool that's perfect for DIYers, home mechanics, and even professionals on a budget. The MUCAR 892BT Full System OBD2 Scanner. Is it worth your money? Let's find out. OBD2 Scanner, featuring an 8-inch ultra-large display. The MUCAR 892BT runs on Android 10 with a robust 4-core processor, 4GB RAM, and 64GB storage. This ensures you get rapid and responsive diagnostics every time. Imagine quickly diagnosing issues on a busy workday with a tool that keeps up with your pace. OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. The MUCAR 892BT provides full system bidirectional diagnostics for over 140+ car brands and 10,000+ models. Whether you're troubleshooting engine troubles or resolving warnings, this tool has you covered. It supports TPMS, AF, TCM, SRS, EPB, SAS, BCM, ECM, and other system diagnosis, ensuring you can tackle various issues effectively. Bidirectional Scan Tool. Experience OA-level auto scanning and active testing capabilities with full bidirectional controls. The MUCAR 892BT allows you to directly interact with vehicle actuators, enabling you to control critical functions such as headlights, oil pressure, wheel speed sensors, brakes, and mirror folding-unfolding. This feature not only helps identify the working status of various actuators, but also allows you to send commands directly to them, ensuring accurate diagnostics and facilitating timely repairs. Scanner Diagnostic Tool. With over 34+ services, including advanced functions such as oil reset, ETS, gear, SAS, inject, BMS, brake reset, the MUCAR 892BT is designed for serious automotive professionals. Picture yourself effortlessly resetting the oil maintenance light after an oil change, or quickly diagnosing a clutch issue during a customer's visit. This tool empowers you to perform essential services with confidence. Scanner for car. Enjoy the freedom of wireless Bluetooth connectivity for easy data sharing and diagnostics. The MUCAR 892BT comes with free lifetime updates, ensuring you stay current without extra fees. Plus, it supports FCA Auto-Auth for 2018 and newer vehicles, but keep in mind that an FCA account and membership fee are necessary for access. Pros: easy to use, great system coverage, free lifetime updates, compact and wireless. And cons: app interface could be more polished. For under $700 or the actual price, the MUCAR 892BT offers serious diagnostic power for casual users and pros alike. Whether you're scanning your own car or helping friends and family, it's a tool that pays for itself quickly. If you're interested, I've dropped a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you've got questions or want to see a head-to-head comparison with other scanners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.